Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, November 1st. It is 7:25 a.m. Alright, I was trying to finish up my homework, but I'm gonna do it just now. Teacher talks about it. He left a very good comment, so I think that I can relax a bit, relax a bit. And these tabs are taking a lot of energy from my laptop, so I'm gonna leave it sleep a bit until I'm ready for it later. I did make my to-do list last night, so I know what to do today, so I don't feel like I'm lost, because I pretty much hate to feel like that. I have brushes that's never been washed, like the ones that are in this pink case, and I have new brushes in the clear case, and then the ones I use all the time is in the white one. So I'm gonna be washing all of those. I just need to get something to put them in, like a bowl of hot water.
Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? I'm in the trenches, relax. Can you not pay that little boy in the club? Bring Drake to the hood, surround Drake, around Drake. Even though I got a K, I'ma do what it takes. And I've never been embraced, and the money's hard to make. So I bet they on their face right now. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Alright, so I put these back in for a second time because they dirtied the towel. So I was like, okay, they are not clean, so I put it back in for one more time. Then I'm gonna soak them. I'm gonna leave it soak a bit, honestly, and I'm gonna wait till those dry. So they'll probably be dry by the end of the day. I don't know if I'm supposed to blow dry them. I don't think so, but I can stay like that. I just put them in the bedroom on my desk, and then I'm gonna leave them dry out. Then I'm gonna put them back in at the end of the day, and then these I'm gonna let them soak for a bit until then when I'm going for work. I'm gonna take them out and put them to dry as well. Okay, so like I was saying, Halloween is gone, so we're gonna take down this decoration. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do with them, because it's like, girl, you waste your money. No, I did not. I'm over this right now, and I'm gonna put it back in the sack, and then we're gonna save it until next year. We're gonna clean this desk. But actually my day has been good. It's actually been a good first day for November. But yeah, let me just finish clean up. I'm gonna clean my desk and stuff like that, and then we're gonna try and do something productive. I think I might go do my skincare, bathe, and then come back, because yeah, I think it's time to get a headache a little bit.
Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that?
Desk is clean. Clean enough. Okay, my space is clean. I did my hair, I did my skincare, I took my bath. Yeah, I did my hair for tomorrow basically. I'm not going anywhere tonight, but I did my hair for tomorrow. I'm just passing a little Clorox wipe on my desk. I did have like this mark. I don't know where I get it from. My computer is finally fully charged, so I'm going to finish my homework. The homework I've been doing slowly but surely. Hopefully I'm done by 10:15, so I can edit for like 15 minutes after I go sleep by 10:30. I actually want to get a new tripod. I don't feel like this one is that much trustworthy. It's sliding, it's kind of flimsy, but it's not like, it's not given anymore, you know. It's not getting, it's too much work. If y'all see the legs under y'all right now,
sometimes we laugh, sometimes
I got already. I think I got moisturizer, I got oil. It's mostly them body things I want.
I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's at the ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of pleasing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in the party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap.
I don't really know if this is good for you, but if y'all know anything about this, let me know.
I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they had the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? I'm in the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rest. We in Atlanta, I buy her wig. She telling me Tay is the best. Pointed them niggas, I like a killer, but you only one from the net. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you won't get stretched. Bring Drake to the hood. Surround Drake, around Drake. Even though I got a K, I'ma do what it takes. And I've never been embraced. And the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Should I get one like this? Yeah, we're good. Thanks. I want to live.
Sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Let me show you what I got from Bootylicious. So the first thing I got is this sleep eye mask for $8. You can actually either heat it in the microwave or cold it in the freezer and you put it on your face. It helps with eye bags, so I'm gonna try this out. I got these nose pore strips because it did help very good. But my first time trying out that brand Kala. Then I also got myself a headband because I don't have my own. The one I've been using was actually Nina own, so I was like, you know what, so you're gonna get your own. Then I also got this natural scrub for my face and body. It's a coffee scrub. My first time using this. I'm gonna try this out and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about this. But for now it's giving good vibes. Then lastly I got this soap from Dove. Cost like $1.50. So I was like, you know what, why not? I don't have a soap, by the way, and I really love Dove soaps. So yeah. And yeah, that is it for my little Bootylicious haul. Hey y'all, it's Friday, November 4th or 3rd. 4th, I think it's the 4th. Yeah, it is. Today, this morning, I went at the doctor's office for 8 a.m. It's currently 9:46, so I went and get like a little checkup for my nose because I'm actually breathing bad on one side, you could say. You know, nothing major, nothing big. Just got a little treatment and that's it. So I'll be taking that. So I'm gonna clean my car right now because it really needs some cleaning. It have like crumbs from food and everything everywhere, and it's disgusting. Okay, so it's been a minute. It is currently 1:22 p.m. and I am currently uploading my YouTube video so I could post it, and it's taking mad long. So while waiting, I uploaded a reel on Instagram because I forget to post it yesterday. So I did my first ever voiceover reel on Instagram. Hopefully it does good. Hopefully they like it actually. I did ask you guys basically if you guys would like a voiceover reel, and y'all tell me yes with music. So that's what I did, and let's see how this first one goes. If it doesn't do good, I will still do more, okay? But I did a few things off camera. The last time y'all saw me, I was cleaning my car. The vacuum, something happened to it, but it stopped like sucking up air. So like, you know what, whatever, just swept what I could have swept up, cleaned the mats, Clorox, wiped it down, and sprayed it with Lysol basically. Then I washed my work clothes. I put the bed sheet to hang because the AC was leaking on it, so I did that. I cleaned the house. I washed some dishes, passed the broom. I guess that's it. Yeah, but I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go and get something to eat. I think I'll end the vlog here. Yeah, I think so. I think it's probably long enough, and I need to edit it tonight to post it by tomorrow. So yeah, I don't want to give myself that headache right about now, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go and enjoy my evening. I want to show y'all, I know it's dark as hell, but still, I want to show y'all the products that I finished for the month of October. I still want to make a reel about it, but I think I might just put it in my story because it's not that much. And yeah, so the first one is this St. Ives oatmeal and shea butter soap. Liquid soap. Honestly, I don't really know how to feel about it. It's not giving me that clean, cleansed feeling after I bathe. It just gives me like moisturized and smooth, you know. But it is nice. It smells good. Yeah, it really does. I'm still using the cream for it, and oh, I just remember I have the face scrub for it. Tell me what I went by a face scrub. No, the one I buy yesterday is for actually my body. So yeah, and then I'm actually a bit sad that this one is finished, but it's my Victoria's Secret's Rushed Fragrance Mist. I actually love this perfume so good, so bad, so good. I loved it actually. It was too good. It was too good. I think I might have to go and buy back. Probably not this one, but Victoria's Secret for sure. And I won't go buy this again. Like, it smells good or whatsoever, but I'm not gonna go and buy from that brand again. I just like stuff like this. The body scrub that I was using from Tree Hut was a vitamin C shea sugar scrub. It said it reveals brighter looking skin, but I didn't really see it. But I know for sure that it kept me smooth, and when I use it I feel extra smooth after that, soothing, you know, feel like it's a baby butt basically. But I loved it for that, but for brighter looking skin, I'm not too sure, you know, I'm not too sure. I don't really like the smell of it because it is vitamin C. It's not anything like the watermelon or the papaya what smells so good, or the coconut. If you like to smell nice, like if you like to smell like candy or whatever, buy the candy ones if you would like, you know. If you want to try the vitamin C for yourself, smell it, then you go ahead, but I wouldn't buy the vitamin C again. Up next we have my Instant Lift brow pencil from Elf Cosmetics. I did repurchase this from ASOS, but I took it in the wrong shade. Even though it's not quite a problem because it's still dark enough to do my eyebrows. Yeah, so this one is deep brown, and I believe I have taupe or something like that. So it is this.
Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a
Okay, I absolutely loved it, which is why I repurchased it actually, because why not? And I saw it on ASOS, I was like, oh, lifesaver, you know. Even though I do have a brow pomade that I could use as backup in case I didn't find this back, but I was glad to find it back. You know, I'm just kind of sad that I took the wrong shade. Last but not least is this perfume. I believe the name was 1902. Yeah, it came off, so you know you can't read it. And then it is from Frederic M. It's made in France, so I guess it's a French perfume. It is a men's perfume. Sorry, not sorry. It smells so good. Like, I wish it had a little. It does have a little more, but it smells so good.
Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that?
I'm in the trenches, relax. Can you not pay that little boy in the